Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to make Polish kielbasa. It's a recipe that my wife got for me online, so hopefully this goes well. I've also watched Chef Johnny over at Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine, and he's got a great video on it too. So a little bit of inspiration from him, plus also I've wanted to make it for a while for myself. Let's get into this, see what we're doing with it. We'll start off with our pork butt. Nice pork butt. This is about 9.5 pounds, a little bit over 9.5 pounds. We're just gonna cut it up and get it ready for the grinder. Show you how we do that. I might need to sharpen my knife too, a little bit. And we hitting there. I must be hitting some cartilage or something there. It's okay. Here we go. Nothing fancy here, just basically making cubes for the grinder. That'll fit in nicely into the grinder. I'm not chopping the fat off, I'm leaving the fat because you need fat. Hey, just making small enough pieces that'll go in the grinder nice. That's all. Just like that. I'm gonna finish getting the rest of the pork butt done, and I'll pick back up to show you what's next. All right, after we're done, that's all that's left. The nice bone. Now you can clean it up more if you want, the meat off the bone. Still a little bit here. I really can't be bothered. I've got enough meat here for what I need. And we got our pork chunks here to run through the grinder. So the next step now that I'm going to do is go put it in my freezer for a little bit to let it firm up. I want it to be not frozen solid, but cold enough that it's hard. If you get what I'm saying, where it's just starting to freeze over. So almost like frostbite on it, kind of, sort of. Well, I'm gonna go stick it in the freezer. We'll pick back up when we're ready to grind. There's a look at my container. We'll pick back up when we're ready to grind. See you guys then. All right, we got our meat from the freezer, which is not frozen, but firm. We're using our KitchenAid mixer with our grinding attachment, and we're gonna put it on number 4. Grind our meat. And there we go. Send it through. We have our plunger. Push it down. Catch it. There it comes. Hold on, buddy. I'll let you help me in a couple minutes, buddy. Just like this.
That's not my bug, Daddy, and it works good.
Good job, buddy.
It was bright. It was bright. It's like it was bright as the light in the house.
There we go. Just like that. I'm going to continue and grind the rest of this meat. We'll pick back up. There we have. All of our meat's grinded. Takes a few minutes. Grind it up. Might not look perfect to some people or whatever, but it's grinded. Now let's add in our ingredients that we need for it. We're gonna go with 3 tablespoons black pepper.
We actually got French fries too. We didn't even get French fries. We got French fries and a hamburger.
We're gonna go 3 tablespoons kosher salt. And this is probably about 8.5 pounds of meat now, after the bones come out, plus whatever.
Dad, I'm recording.
We're gonna go with about 2.5 tablespoons of marjoram.
This looks so good to me.
And we're gonna also use 1 3/4 teaspoons of cure number 1 salt. Pink salt. It's not pink, it's white though, the one that I have. But it's the exact same thing, just it's not pink.
I'm recording, Daddy.
Okay. And last, we got about 6 cloves of garlic that I mashed up. Yeah, we're gonna add in as well.
And it's gonna be some good video. Barbecue
Don't mind the little guy. I guess his nose is stuffed up a little bit. Or maybe he doesn't like smelling the garlic.
And it smells good, remember?
That's it.
Now what do we need to do?
Now, we need to mix it all in together.
Mixing.
Let me get this mixed up.
Oh, we're recording.
Just mix it all in nicely together, just like this. Make sure everything's combined very well. So let me get this mixed in, and we'll pick back up. There we have it. We're all set up. Stuffed sausage. I got my casings prepared already. So now you're just going to take your casing, put your casing over the horn, and then just feed it back, just to line it up nice. Just like this. I'm not a big fan of this stuffing attachment, but it does work. It's a pain in the ass. So if anybody's looking for a Christmas idea for me, a vertical sausage stuffer would be ideal. Just throwing it out there. Just like that, and get the casing on. There we go. Excess water, not all of it. I'm using the cookie sheet, so that's why I have the foil down. One, to minimize cleanup. Just put that there for now. Put that there for now. Let's turn on the machine. Let's feed some sausage. Just to get it start coming towards the end of the horn. And then from there, we'll tie off our casing. This is a lengthy process using this machine. It doesn't work the greatest for this, like I just said, but it does work. batch. That's on number 4 now. Oh, there we have it. We got our sausage coming out. So there we go. Now pull your casing back a little bit. Just like that. Tie off the end. Tie it off however you want to tie it off. Feed it back on. I don't have a pricker, but I do have my thermopen, which will prick a hole just like that to let the air out. So now you don't have to worry about it. The air will come out that hole. So now we'll just turn it back on. And that's it, start stuffing. Just like so. You control it, how fast it goes. That's coming out. Like I said, this is a lengthy process doing it this way, but it does work. I'm going to go ahead and finish making the sausage. And we'll pick back up. Well, there we have it. 2 nice coils and quarter one, half one, whatever you want to say. All from our KitchenAid with the grinding attachment. It's a little time consuming. It'd be faster if I had a stuffer, but using the stuffer, the attachment for the KitchenAid, takes a bit of time. It's okay. We got it done. Well, this concludes on how to make Polish kielbasa. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll show you guys how to smoke this one. In the meantime, hit the subscribe if you haven't already. See you on the next one. Bye.